A very good morning, dear students. Once again, welcome to our maths class. In today's class, we will be starting with our final year course. We will be starting with chapter number 6, that is factors and multiples. First of all, let us study what are natural numbers. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. This all numbers, they are the natural number. Whole number including 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. All these numbers, they are whole numbers. Next is factors. Consider this multiplication sentence. 7 multiplied by 9 is equal to 63. So here 7 and 9, they are the factors and 63, it is the product. This means that 7 and 9, these two numbers, they can divide 63 exactly and no remainder is left. If you divide 63 by 7, you will be getting 9, and if you divide 63 by 9, you will be getting 7. So this two number, this divide exactly 63, no remainder it is left. When two or more number are multiplied together, the number we get as a result, it is called as the product. Let us take one more example. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. So what are the factors? 3 and 4, they are the factors, and 12, it is the product. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So what are the factors here? 6 and 2, they are the factors, and 12, it is the product. Now in the question, if it is asked, find the factors of 12. How to find the factors of the given number? So let us study now how to find the factors of a given number. Suppose in the question it is given, find out the factors of 12. You have to find out the factors of 12. Then what you have to do? You have to, starting with 2, find which number less than 12, divide it exactly. All this exact divisor along with 1 and 12 are the factors of 12. So let us start dividing 12. 1, 12 are 12. Then let us take another number next to 1. It is 2. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. Next to 2, what number we can take? 3. 3 4s are 12. So 1, 12, 2, 6, 3 and 4. This all are the factors of 12. I can write here 1, 12, 2, 6, 2, 6, 3 and 4. This all, they are the factors of 12. Now write this factor in the increasing order. First of all, I will be writing 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 6 and 12. This all, they are the factors of 12. Now let us study the properties of factor. What are the properties of the factor? Let us quickly study the properties of factor. What we are studying now? properties of factor. So what is the first property of a factor? 1 is the least factor of every natural number. Of every natural number, 1 is the least factor. Like of every natural number, 1 fours are 4, 1 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7. So we can say that 1, it is the least factor of every natural number. Every natural number is its own greater factor. Like 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4 and 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. So every natural number, the greatest factor of every natural number is the number itself. Here the number is 4, here it is 7. So you can see the greatest factor, it is the number itself of a given natural number. What is the third property of the factor? Every natural number has at least 2 factors. 1, like if we take a natural number, if I take a natural number 3, how many factors are there of 3? 1. How many factors are there of 3? That is 1 and 3. So every natural number has at least 2 factors. That is 1. 1 is the factor of every natural number. Every natural number has 1 as the factor, and the another factor is the number itself. And what is the fourth property? Every factor other than the number itself is less than the given number. Like example 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3 and 6 are, this all are the factors of 6. So you can see that this all 1, 2 and 3, these are less than 6. So let us revise the properties of factor. First property is every natural number has 1 as its factor. Second property, every natural number has the greatest factor, that is the number itself. The third property, every natural number has at least 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. The fourth property, every natural number, it has the factors smaller than the number itself. Next, we will be studying checking if one number is the factor of another number or not. We will be checking whether this number, it is the factor of the given number or not. So let us check, is 29 a factor? Is 29 a factor? Is 29 a factor of 783? Let us check, is 29 a factor of 783? What we have to do? We have to divide 783 with 29. So I will be writing 783 in brackets and 29 I will be writing outside, and then I will be doing the simple division. 29 ones are 29, 29 twos are 58. Subtract this, 78 minus 58 is 20. Now this 20, it is lesser than 29. So we will be carrying this 3 down. Now 29 sevens are 203. The remainder it is 0. So the remainder is 0. That is 29 exactly divides 783. Whenever the remainder, this 0 it is the remainder. So whenever we can say, whenever the remainder it is 0, it means that this factor it completely divides the given number. Next we will be studying what are the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers and what are the composite number. Let us study. First let us study what are the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 which has only two different factors, namely 1 and the number itself. Like we can say that 5, like 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. This all numbers, they are the prime number. Why? Because they exactly has the two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. For example, first of all let us take 2. So what are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. Then let us take 3. What are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. Then let us take 5. What are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. 7, 1 and 7. 11, 1 and 11. So you can see that in every natural number they are having exactly two factors. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers, they are those natural number which has exactly two factors, that is 1 and the another it is the number itself. Next let us study the composite number. Next we will be studying the composite numbers. What are composite number? Numbers that have more than two factors. They are called as the composite numbers. Let us take an example like 6, 8, 9. We can say these are the composite number. Like 6, what are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. This all are the factors of 6. What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. What are the factors of 9? 1, 3 and 9. So in this we can see that this three natural number, they are having more than two factors. So any natural number which is having more than two factors, they are called as the composite numbers. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.